In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a checkout page in GoHighLevel. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head to the Sites area in the left-hand menu. This is where all your funnels and websites live, and it's the best place to organize anything a visitor will see. From there, choose New Funnel to start fresh. When the options appear, pick from blank. Beginning with a blank canvas gives you complete control over the structure and styling, which is especially helpful for a focused checkout page. Give your funnel a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later without hunting around. Consistent naming conventions will save time as your library grows. Once you've typed the name, click Create to set up the new funnel container. Inside your new funnel, it's time to add the page that will handle payments. Click. Add new step or use import if you're bringing in an existing layout. Since we're building from scratch, add a new step and name it something obvious like checkout. Clear page names help with analytics, split testing, and quick edits down the road. Then click Create Funnel. Step to add it to your funnel. Open the page by clicking Edit. This launches the drag and drop builder where you'll assemble the layout. Start with the structure. Drag a single column onto the canvas. A one-column layout keeps attention on the purchase decision and typically converts better on mobile. Click. Add to place it. Next, bring in your payment form. Locate the one-step order element and drag it into that column. This element puts contact details, billing info, and payment fields together on a single page, which minimizes friction and helps reduce cart abandonment. With the element in place, click the settings icon to customize it. Update the text so it clearly communicates your offer. Write a concise headline that states exactly what they're buying. Refine the subtext to highlight the key benefit, and make sure any form labels are straightforward. Adjust the button copy to something action-oriented and reassuring, like Complete Secure Checkout, and keep any fine print readable and friendly. As you update the copy, think about clarity first and formatting second. Short sentences and familiar words usually perform best. Styling tweaks can help readability. Keep strong color contrast, use a legible font size, and leave enough spacing so the form feels simple and trustworthy. Preview your changes and skim for typos, confusing phrases, or anything that might slow a buyer down. That's it. You've created a blank funnel, added a checkout step, dropped in a single column, placed a one-step order form, and customized the text so it sells clearly and confidently.